Right, here we go. So this is the walk around for our original paint, Lambretta GP125. So as you can see, it's in a turquoise paint. This is all original. So if we get a little bit closer into the panels, you'll be able to see some of the patina and stuff. I think it's absolutely stunning as it is. Perfect condition in my eyes. So this is a 1969 Italian GP125. So the frame number on this is nice and low. It's in the 3000s. This was imported in 2020 and sort of like sympathetically restored by Mike Phoenix. So he's run all through the engine and fitted a BGM 195 cylinder kit. It's got a Delotto 28mm PHBH carb. All CASA internals inside, apart from it's got a BGM 4-plate Honda clutch. I've just fitted this BGM clubman exhaust on it, so that's brand new, and the rest of the engine's done about 1,000 miles. So it's completely standard, apart from the engine, and it's also fitted with the TZR grips. But I like these. I think it gives a little nudge to the fact that there's a bit more to it than it just being a standard 125. So there it is. I'm not going to take the panels off or anything, I'll show you that in some pictures. But ignition on, petrol, choke, we just tighten up the camera mount. So it's a pretty good starter, this one. You just need to run straight through the kickstart. I did the same thing I normally do earlier on in the video. Always do it with Mike at Torbay Lambretta, not Mike Phoenix. Mike Farrell. Sorry, Mike. So there we go. That's it started. As you can see, all the lights work. Duck fart horn works. Rear light. Brake light. So we're taxing MOT exempt on this one, being a 1969. Let's take it for a quick spin. So it's the original speedo on this one. There's no speedo cable in it at the moment, and I don't think there's even a needle in the speedo. But you've got to leave it here being the original one. 79,000 miles left. Okay, let's take her for a spin. that's it. So we're all done. So front brake works fine, rear brake works fine. You can see the gear selection's nice and free. It's a good solid engine. This one, like I say, is only 1,000 miles on it since a rebuild with a brand new BGM Clubman exhaust. So it should see you right for 65, 70. It's a good one, this one. So good luck, everyone. Take care.